This is Sean Cunningham with Cunningham Real Estate Group at RE/MAX Advantage. Thanks for joining me today. I want to show you our newest listing in Henderson's Mission Hills neighborhood, one of my favorite parts of Henderson. This house was built in 2017, so it's almost brand new, but it has a pool and spa, has a gourmet kitchen, it's got all the upgrades you would want. I can't wait to show you this amazing house. You know how they say size doesn't matter? Well, I don't know about you, but I would love to have a huge 70-inch plus Electrolux fridge. Absolutely gorgeous. Every chef must have one. One of the cool things in this house is the double slider, which is very tall and it provides a lot of light, but also it provides a lot of indoor-outdoor living. I'll show you how it works. If we pull out the door, this is how wide a normal slider is. In this house, it goes that wide. Amazing. Let's check out the pool. Thanks for joining me today. Please give me a call, text me, email me, carrier pigeon, let me know if you're ready to come and take a look at this incredible listing. Have a great day.